Assalamualaikum guys, hope you are fine today. We back in again for our new unboxing video. So I'm going to unbox another my parcel. We don't know what we order a lot of other stuff as well, but I don't know what this time we'll see. So guys,
Yes, you do. You
What?
got it. You know what it's like that.
okay, you tell me what's inside.
I can't.
Huh?
I need the cat as well.
What inside?
A cat.
Cat.
Yes.
Okay, Hari, what inside?
Cat.
No. Something else. Tell me.
Cat. Wait. Maybe iPad.
iPad. Okay.
Nah. I need the cat.
Let me do this now.
Let's know where it's cat. Cat.
Move on.
You know cat can't fit that. Cat's
Let me do
so
this.
big, and fat, and too big, and so tutty, and it can't fit in there. I'm warming up.
Okay. I'm going to reveal this. What we have inside.
Oh, I'm so sorry. It's the teeth. It's a green thing. Let me see.
Oh, there it is. Wow. Oh, first aid kit.
Remember the name is Tingle.
Very good. So I got this online first aid kit for my car. Okay. So
Okay, die.
just want to reveal this what we
Right,
got
if
today.
someone died, you can use it.
Yeah. So this is going into my car just in case we have accident. So we can, if we need first aid, so we can use this kit. So hope you like my video. So please subscribe my channel and like our video. So thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.